Hey, Tony Mercury with Autoshop Solutions. Really excited to walk you through our new dashboard platform. We've been developing this for a while and it's finally ready for release. Let's jump in and check it out. All right, jumping right in, I was able to load this. So here we're gonna be able to look at what this shop did in the last 30 days. If you go over here to the right-hand side, the data is customizable. So you can look at 30 days, last month, last 7 days. So we built this out in a flow. So we're gonna show how many total leads were created by your Autoshop Solutions RPM campaign. So this shop had 382 leads come in. This is gonna be broken down by form submissions as well as calls. We're also looking to see where the calls came from. So we can see that of the 369 calls, 89 came over through organic or your SEO program, and 280 came over from paid ads. So of those 382 leads created for the shop, 123 of them turned into new ROs. Of those ROs, we're able to see that $67,000 was spent in this shop, and then the average repair order for a marketing acquired customer was $547. So it's very easy to quickly realize an ROI with your RPM marketing program. Hopping over to the next screen, we're able to look at the shop's total data getting pulled from the shop management system. So currently we integrate with the top SMSs available for your shops. Please inquire to find out what ones we work with. So in the last 30 days, they had 382 leads. We're able to break that data down to look at phone calls as well as form submissions. 462 total repair orders for the shop in the last 30 days. 123 came over from our marketing efforts, and then 339 were self-sold jobs. Hopping into that customer breakdown, we're gonna see that 271 were organic customers, again, self-sold, and then 123 were sourced through our marketing efforts. So now the important thing, how much revenue did this generate for the shop? Self-sold was $184,903 in revenue. Autoshop Solutions was able to source $67,353 worth of revenue for this shop. An interesting fact to look at is a marketing acquired ARO is a little bit higher, so you're able to track this to see what a self-source deal closes for versus what a marketing acquired source closes for. So there you have it, the new Autoshop dashboard. We spent a long time developing this to prove ROI for you at your shop level. If you have any questions, please reach out. We'd be happy to answer them for you.